Hola amigas, this is Hummingbird. You are watching my channel, Hummingbird Beau. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome or welcome back. Do you have dry skin? This is Farmasi's newest skincare line, Aqua, for dry skin. Ta-da! For normal to dry skin or dry to dry skin. I have normal to dry skin, guys. In this video, I'm going to give you a first impression as I use these products for the first time. I will open them, I will show you how they look, I will tell you how they feel, and I will show you step by step how to use them. It's a 4-step system, super easy to use morning and night to take care of your skin, especially for people 25 and over, guys. This is a really good line for you because it plumps any little wrinkles that you have in your skin. The main ingredient, guys, in this baby is hyaluronic acid. Most of the time, wrinkles are more visible because our skin is dry. Once you give it that hydration, then they literally can disappear right before your eyes. I mean, honestly, I'm loving how my skin is looking right now. If you want to see how I got this nice, hydrated, plumpy skin, then keep on watching, guys. First step is the cleanser that removes impurities, hydrates, and revitalizes. How to use daily in the morning and night. Work cleanser into a foam in the palm of your hand. Gently massage onto damp face and neck. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Okay. Okay, so my skin feels really good right now. It feels hydrated. You know how sometimes when you wash your face, your skin can feel tight afterwards? My skin does not feel like that at all. It actually feels very comfortable. And you guys saw I used very little. A little bit goes a long way. The formula is very gel-like, so it feels very watery. It would spread and it would feel like water and really refreshing. So right now my skin dried. It dried quickly. I don't know if that's because my skin absorbed it already. I have really dry skin, but my first impression is that my skin looks clean and it feels soft, fresh and soft. It feels really soft, guys. I wish you guys could feel how soft my skin feels right now. And it's just the cleanser, so I'm excited, super excited for the face cream. But definitely hydrated and soft and comfortable. Yeah, feels really good. Next, we're gonna do the Hydra drops. Okay, so I'm gonna actually wet my face again because I want to show you guys the sandwich method. What it is basically is using water in between your layers of your skincare. In the instructions, it does say to pat dry your face, okay? So per instructions, that is what they're telling you to do. I am gonna try, just because I'm a rebel, I'm gonna try wetting my face again a little bit, just a little bit, you know, not like super drenched, just a little pat wet here and there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the next step, which is the Hydra drops. Okay, we're doing this because we are rehydrating with water in between products. Since this product has hyaluronic acid, the hyaluronic acid absorbs, catches the water molecules, and it gives you an extra power of hydration. Second step is the Hydra drops that protects and fortifies your skin. So these are the Hydra drops, boosting, because we need that boost. How to use: use daily in the morning and night. After cleansing with Aqua Restoring Gel Cleanser, apply to dry face and neck. Again, I'm gonna do it with my face a little damp. Ta-da! Okay. Ooh. No color, guys. It's clear. It is like a gel consistency as well. It's like gel. Okay, and we need very little, guys. Here we go. Wow, it's very gel-like again. Very soft. Spreads real quick, guys. And with the water, the little bit of water that I put on my face, it spreads very smoothly. Okay, so with hyaluronic acid, especially if it's your first time using it, you might see some redness. Not everyone, but if you have sensitive skin, you might see some redness. That is normal, but definitely stop using if it's really bad, if it's very uncomfortable. Okay, it's starting to dry down. You feel it a little sticky right now, very little, but it's starting to dry. So as it's drying, there's certain spots where it's less sticky. So I guess it's one of those things where you just have to let it dry, you know, let it do its magic. And I believe our serum is the one that has the highest percentage of the hyaluronic acid. Oh my god, guys, that feels so good. Like, this part is warm since I'm working my hands, but if you turn your hands around and you do this, the freshness, very cool. Got sleepy now. Guys, this feels so good on my skin right now. So I don't know if it's the camera on my phone. My skin looks a little bit red, just very little. Do you see what I mean? Very little. But that's normal, guys. Again, especially if you have sensitive skin. I have dry, sensitive skin, and you can feel a very slight, like from a 1 to a 5, I would say I'm at a 1, where I feel a very slight tingly sensation, not uncomfortable. And again, our skin has to adapt to new ingredients, but my face feels good. It's hard to explain. I'm going to be using this twice a day for a week or 2, and then by then your skin should already get used to it, you know, and adapt to the ingredients. But like, if my face would be red right now, and if my face would be burning, I would completely stop using this and I would not use it again. But it's not like that. So definitely do your research on hyaluronic acid, but it is normal to have, in the beginning of using it, especially if you've never used it before, to have a little bit of redness and a little bit of sensing a difference on how it feels in your skin, but do not be afraid. Third step is the hydrating cream that gives you long-lasting hydration and nourishes your skin. Try to clean, dry face and neck. I'm gonna be a rebel, so I am gonna pat a little bit of water on my face. Look at that, super cute. Love the colors. Okay. So very little, guys. Don't go crazy. Again, very gel-like, but look at how it slides. I don't know, guys. It's gel-like, but very liquidy, like water-based, you know. So I'm going to go like this just to cover the whole area with that very little. Oh, yes. That is good. You guys enjoy it. This is your time. You're pampering yourself. I'm sleepy already. Guys, it's the afternoon, okay? But this is self-care. This is really relaxing me right now. Ooh, yeah, give yourself a little massage. My skin is feeling so soft. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I will take before and after pictures of having been using this line for at least a month so I can see the difference. But guys, I can already see a difference. I don't know about on my phone. The lighting in my restroom is not the best, but it looks more plumpy. And it's starting to dry down. This one does not feel sticky at all. This feels very soft, very like a silky soft feeling, but not creamy. It's not creamy. It's very velvety, soft. I'm bad at explaining, but it feels good, guys. And again, if you turn your hands around to the other side, it feels very fresh, very soft. Like my mom said, it feels like a baby's bottom, very soft. Next, we're gonna try the eye drops. And I'm excited for that because I'm starting to get baby crow feet, and you know, I want those lines to be plumped and less noticeable. The fourth step is the Revitalizing eye cream that has Hydra Protect technology, illuminates and revives your eyes. So all of these can be used morning and night. Small amount on fingers and carefully tap around your eye area. All right, so last step, guys. That was quick. Very small dot. Okay, so a small drop. And let's use our ring fingers because supposedly they have less strength. So when we tap it in, it's supposed to be more gentle than all the other fingers. That feels good. Very refreshing. I'm really happy with how it's feeling. I'm gonna be honest, I was a little scared because I had not used hyaluronic acid before. I'm 33 now, guys, so I really need it right now. I was afraid I was going to be very sensitive to it. I was afraid that my face would be red and burning, and it's not. It feels really good, guys. My skin looks younger. I don't know how to explain it. I really can't get over how my skin looks right now. My skin is dry and sensitive, so I do have some redness, but it just looks like fuller. You know, like when you're young and you have that collagen and everything's nice and plumpy and full of life. That's how I'm feeling right now. Okay, so if you want to feel like that, definitely give it a try, guys. If you found this video helpful, and if you are excited to try it, then like this video, comment what you think, comment what you know of hyaluronic acid. Have you used it before? How does it work on you? Are you allergic to it? Let us know in the comments, guys. Let's share with each other because, you know, all of us have different skin types, and I'm interested to know how hyaluronic acid benefits your skin. All and any professional advice is welcomed, guys, so definitely talk to me in the comments. All right, thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. I'm thankful for everything we have accomplished together this past year. I'm so happy that I finally reached half of 2 goals. One of them was, of course, to get the 1,000 subscribers, so we are a family of 1,000 hummingbirds now. Yay! But the other half of the goal was to get the 4,000 hours watch. We don't have that yet, guys, but we'll get there together. So please share a video with a friend that you think they might find helpful. Save a video in a playlist that you can always go back to later. Anything helps, guys. We can do it. We got this. Thank you so much. If you are watching right now, Thank you if you have been following me since the beginning. You are amazing. I'll leave my social media information so that we can connect when we're not hanging out here on YouTube. Bye guys. Follow me on, so definitely connect with me over there. Illuminates. I'm back with another video. I will link for this is for normal to dry. Next is our hydrating. I missed you guys so much. You guys, I will link. This is